Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy an email domain using Squarespace. Using a custom email address with our domain name helps our business look more professional and trustworthy. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. After that, we log into our account. Once logged in, we click the menu profile logo and go to Account Dashboard. When we are in the Account Dashboard, we can go to Website or This Website. Either option works. Once registered, we go to Settings to locate our settings. On the lower left part of the page, next to the profile, we click Settings. Here, we can see Domain and Email. Let's go to Domains. Here, we have the option to get a domain or use a domain we already own. For example, if we already have a domain, we search for it, and then we connect our domain. Alternatively, we can get a new domain by buying one ourselves. For example, if we want to buy a domain, we search for it. We can choose the domain extension we want, like .com, .net, or .org, or select a cheaper option. Just check it to add to the cart, and then proceed to checkout. Once we check out, we confirm our payment, save and continue, and then proceed to continue. Next, we set up registration. We just need to fill out this form, and once it's done, fill up and proceed with the payment. Now, we have an email domain using Squarespace. With custom email setup, we can communicate with clients using a professional and reliable address.